All right, we are on the Ripley's roller coaster, going on up. So they have these handles, push back to stop, forward to go. So like, go. But it's like automatic when you go up the hills. There's Brandon over there. Go. Whee. Oh, this is the big hill we're going up now. Do not stop on the track at any time. Keep hands, arms, and feet inside the cart. Do not stop on the track at any time. Oh, here it comes. No bumping.
Press handle forward now. Press handle forward now.
Woo! Oh, this is fast. Woo! Oh my gosh, this is so fast.